sauce. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're gonna go ahead and street tune Josh's hatch. Mechanically, everything is sound. We got everything done on it. Just needed to start doing some tuning. We figured we'd make this episode a little bit different because almost every single episode you guys have seen in a long time, we've been literally in this shop. So we're gonna go ahead and go out to the outside world and do some street tuning for Josh's hatch. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, actually before we go ahead and start tuning, we're gonna switch out the shifters. You wanna tell them what happened?
So I have that hybrid racing shifter and I really don't like it because it's kind of hard to get like from third to fourth. I luckily didn't break my engine because I was on third gear going to fourth and I went to second gear and I almost broke the motor. So I like better the K20 shifter, so we just gonna swap it out from the CRX to the hatch and see how it feels.
So it's in. What do you think about your new shifter, man?
Way better, dude.
Looks good.
Hell yeah, brother.
All right, let's go do some street tuning. All right, so we're gonna start the tuning process. First thing that I always do is I always find a base map. With S300, you just pick the stock ITR. With K Pro, we're just gonna go ahead and click the stock K20A2, stock injectors in there, and we'll start from there. Okay, we have a couple check engine lights and a couple things we want to do before we hit the road. His TPMS, throttle position sensor, is at 50%, so we're going to just adjust that back down to 0. We also have a couple things here that we just need to disable. We'll go ahead and do that real fast and hit the road. everything looks good. Done some test pulls. The tune looks good. Everything looks safe. So looks like we're good to go. Oh, there's a Honda. Cable came off, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Woohoo! We're just gonna pull off. Dude, we fucking walked his ass.
It came out from here, the pedal inside. I hope it didn't.
Hopefully, if it broke, dude, we're kind of SOL.
Look at the policia, man.
And then we got the policia. Got the policia over there. Did that guy have flames coming out of his?
That was some gay ass shit. I was looking at it. I'm gonna float it over there real quick. See if it goes all the way open. Just make sure this touches this thing right here. Make sure it touches.
Yeah. Good to go?
Good to go.
Dude, it was cold as hell outside.
If it goes straight, that's straight.
Yeah, yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. We got the shifter in the car. We also got a nice tune on it for now, and we also got to race that ricey ass Honda.
There's some crazy muffler things.
Oh my, I had like some stupid light thing that lit up the muffler or whatever. It was super whatever. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video.
Go ahead and like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.
Got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.